today's topic is human digestive system. Human digestive system. That means how digestion takes place in human being. All you know that human also a heterotrophic organism. That means human is also a heterotrophic organism. That means they take food from other organisms. So the steps previously we have studied that the steps of heterotrophic nutrition in amoeba. That means there was 5 steps you have studied that. First is ingestion, second digestion, third absorption, fourth assimilation, and fifth is egestion. That means these 5 steps also occurs in the amoeba, and these 5 steps also occurs in human being. That means these steps occurs in the human being. Then how digestion takes place? That means how these steps takes place. First of all, what is ingestion? Ingestion, that means intake of food substances. That means we intake food substances by the help of hands. In where? In buccal cavity. Then buccal cavity is made up from mouth, tongue, and teeth. Then first of all, the food substances crushes by what? Teeth. And this process, the crushes of food substances by teeth, is called as the physical digestion. That means here what happens? First, that means digestion start from our mouth. So here, after that, saliva secretion takes place by salivary gland, and salivary gland present in mouth. Salivary gland secretes saliva, and this saliva mix with food substances, and this mix with food substances soften the food substances, and in this salivary amylase enzyme are present. This salivary amylase enzyme break down the carbohydrate into simple form of sugar, that means the maltose form of sugar. So then these food substances goes to stomach by esophagus. Esophagus is also called as the food pipe, and in this the food substance, this is made up from the muscle, and here food substances move in the zigzag manner in slow processes, zigzag manner in slowly. So this process, the movement of food substance, zigzag manner of food substances in the esophagus is called as the peristalsis, and this movement of food substances is called as the peristaltic movement. Then these food substances, where this goes to where? In the stomach, and in stomach food stay for 4 to 5 hours. Within 4 to 5 hours, what happens? First of all, the wall of stomach that made up from the oxygentic cell, this contains the various gaseous glands, and these gaseous glands secrete gases. What gases? Secrete HCl, hydrochloric acid. This is very dangerous gas, and it will burn. If we touch the HCl, then it will burn our skin. But this, that means HCl secretion takes place by our stomach. Then how it prevented? It prevented. That is very toxic, and it secrete time to time by stomach. Then not erode. That means the wall of stomach do not erode. Why do they do not erode? Why they do not erode? Because a stomach also secrete, a wall of a stomach also secrete mucus. What is mucus? Mucus, it forms the shield like a structure in the stomach, and it provide protection from HCl secretion. That means it prevent our stomach from HCl secretion. And The another, that means a stomach secrete three things. One is the HCl, that means hydrochloric acid. Second is the what? Mucus. Mucus develop protective layer around the stomach. And third thing is pepsin. These pepsin substances break down the protein substances into amino acid. That means it break down the protein substances into amino acid form. Here, what changes occurs in food substances? In this food substance, that means here food come in the stomach, then first of all HCl secretion takes place, and HCl, what is the function of HCl? Function of HCl is it mix with the food substances and convert these food substances into acidic medium, and after that this food become the semi-liquid form, and this form of food substances, semi-liquid form of food substances is called as the chyme form of food substances. Why this is acidic? Why acidic medium is required? Why acidic medium required in the stomach? Because pepsin enzyme works in the acidic medium. So it provide, that means HCl provide acidic medium to the food substances, and after the acidic medium, this pepsin enzyme work, and this pepsin enzyme convert protein into the amino acid. That means simple form of protein substance. Then after these food substances goes to a small intestine. This goes to this food after 4 to 5 hours. These food substances goes to a small intestine. In a small intestine, what happens? This is not a small. It is forming the form of the condensed structure. That means they are condensed in a structure, so it look a small. So it is called as a small intestine. But it is the 6.5 meter long, very long. But this look like a small, so it is called as a small intestine. Then food goes to where? In a small intestine. Food goes in a small intestine. Then what happened? Two organs activate. Two organs that attach with a small intestine. The two organs are, one is the liver that present in the right side, and after that this liver secrete bile juice. This secrete bile juice, and these substances are stored in the gallbladder, and after that from gallbladder it goes to a small intestine. In a small intestine, what happens? That means bile juice. What create the bile juice? That means it convert food substances into alkaline medium. What is function of bile juice? Bile juice convert in a small intestine. Bile juice convert food substances into alkaline medium, and in a stomach you have studied that food are in acidic medium, and after that in this, that means in a small intestine, this food become alkaline medium by the help of bile juice. Then the first function is it create the alkaline medium. After that, what happens? That means bile juice, it break the fat substances of food in a small globules form. That means globule forms, and this process is called as the emulsification of fat substances. That means emulsification takes place in this. That means in a stomach by bile juice. After that, the another organ activate. These also secrete juices, and it also secrete juices to the small intestine. A small intestine, and this is called as the pancreas. This look like the leaf-like structure, and just it present just below the stomach. And what happened? This secrete, that means pancreas secrete pancreatic juice to the small intestine, and then pancreatic juice contains 3 enzymes. First is amylase. Second, lipase, and third is trypsin. These enzymes secreted by what? Secreted by pancreas. That means pancreatic juice contains these 3 enzymes. First is amylase. Amylase break down the carbohydrate into simple form, that means maltose form, and after that lipase convert fat substances into fatty acid and glycerol. This is simple form of fat. After that trypsin break down the protein substances into simple form, that means amino acid form. And after this process, that means the every constituents of food become broken down. Then what happens? Here you have studied that what first step is ingestion complete in the mouth. After that digestion start from where? Digestion start from mouth. Then it goes to a stomach, and after that these food substances goes to where? In a small intestine, and that means that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, beta fat, everything broken down into simple form. Then that means digestion completed in this small intestine. After that what happens? In a small intestine, some finger-like projections are present. This finger-like projection is called villi. This finger-like projection is called villi, and this villi connected with blood vessels. That means blood streams. So this villi absorb the food substances and transport to the blood. So the absorption of food substances takes place by villi, and villi present in where? In the wall of the small intestine. So absorption here takes place in this. Absorption complete in this. That means in a small intestine. Then what happens? These food substances mix with blood, and in blood respiration takes place, and it utilized for various purposes, that means various activity. And you know that the food substances, absorbed food substances utilized for various activities is known as what? Assimilation. So assimilation also completed. After that what happens? This food, that means this food contains some water and waste substances. These substances transport to the large intestine. In large intestine, water absorbed by wall of the large intestine, and some waste material are present in the large intestine, and this after some time this goes to rectum, and from rectum it goes to anus, and from anus this substance removed from the body. This process is called as the removal of waste substances from anus is called as the egestion. That means here what happens? Everything, that means every steps, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion also complete in the human digestive system. So that means in all heterotrophic organisms these steps are common. Okay, so in this chapter, that means in this topic, what type of question asked in the examination? The first is that what is function of acid in the stomach? What is function of acid or HCl in the stomach? The function of HCl. What was the function of HCl? आपने पढ़ा. That means what is the function of HCl or acid in a stomach? First of all, it provide what acidic